The production journey begins at the source. Millions of yogurt cups start with these leaves.
This one looks perfect. Straight into the crate.
Pens. The cleaned leaves move to sorting stations. Middle Eastern mail workers remove damaged or imperfect leaves.
Special machines peel away the green skin. Clear aloe vera gel becomes visible. The transparent gel glistens under factory lights. Engines. Fresh milk tankers arrive at the facility. Workers connect pipes to giant storage tanks. The milk undergoes immediate testing and waste. The milk enters pasteurization equipment. Large heat exchangers raise the temperature.
The viscosity is right on target for the formula. Yes, the cultures are activating perfectly.
Consistency levels are optimal. Yes, the blend is perfect. We can proceed. Prepared aloe vera cubes arrive at blending stations. Conveyors transport thousands of gel pieces. The cubes people. Natural sweeteners are added to the mixture. Ingredients flow through steel pipes.
The viscosity is right within spec.
Confirmed. We are good to proceed.
The yogurt enters large holding tanks. Gentle agitation prevents separation, while temperature remains tightly controlled.
Foil lids are placed onto the cups. Heat sealing machines secure every container. The seals protect freshness and safety. Workers perform visual inspections. Random cups are removed for testing. Seal integrity is carefully checked. The chromatography confirms the aloe content. Everything looks good.
Agreed. The flavor and texture are consistent. We can pass this batch.
Large carton sealers close every box. Strong adhesive secures the packaging. Barcodes are applied automatically. Tracking information.
Aisle 4 scan complete.
Confirmed. This pallet is routed to Dallas, Gate 7.
The trucks travel across highways. Millions of yogurt cups head to stores. Middle-aged African-American female drivers follow scheduled routes. Temperature monitoring systems remain active.
We just stocked these this morning. The strawberry aloe flavor is selling fast.
Oh, wow, it looks delicious. I'll take 2.
Look, it's made with real aloe vera. That's exactly what we were looking for. The quality looks excellent.
From farm to factory, every step mattered. Advanced technology ensures consistent quality. The final product looks smooth and premium.